any chapter left without the reading? Kindly respond.
Ma'am, the court of the
One chapter
justice.
is left.
And the court of
Ma'am, the
justice.
court of justice.
Of the
The court of
justice.
justice is left. Okay. So,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, today we will do some grammar part because we had already done with our book. Only one chapter is left. 2 3 chapters of book we had read, and now we will do the grammar part. And from for grammar, we will begin with tense. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Here
ma'am.
I'm going. Here I'm going to share a screen with you all. Hope it is visible to you very soon. Kindly wait for it to come on your screen.
Ma'am.
Okay, now it's
Yes.
visible to you.
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
No,
Okay.
ma'am.
Those who are saying no, kindly wait for a second. Maybe it's a your connectivity issue. Cause from my side, it's okay. So we will begin with the tense. Have you done tense ever in your life before?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you done the exercise of this book?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So we have to read the tense for the seventh class. Okay. Basically, the word tense, 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 is derived from the Latin word tempus, which means time. So ultimately, the meaning of tense is time. Okay. काल, हिंदी में आपने काल पढ़े होंगे. Tense means time. काल. So
Yes,
there
ma'am.
are mainly three kinds of tenses. तीन काल होते हैं in English. वर्तमान, that is present, which is going on. भूतकाल, which is past, which has been already done. And the future tense means bhavishya which is unpredictable and yet to come. Which one? Three tenses: present, which is going on; past, which has gone; and future, which is up to coming, which is still yet to come. So here in your book, they have given you very beautiful example of today. I play cricket, or I teach English. Right now, I am teaching English, and my profession is to teach English. And I play cricket means I usually play cricket. This is, we are talking about the present tense. And if I said I played cricket, means I played it yesterday in the past action. I will play cricket, I will teach means in the upcoming future. Tomorrow I will, maybe. Okay? So what is the present time? Basically, it depends upon the use of the verb. How will you identify that a particular sentence is in a present tense or a past tense or a future tense? How? It is just cause of the verb. Do you know the forms of the verb? First form, second form, and the third form?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, like play, write,
Read, read, read.
read, 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 play, played, played, write, wrote, written, go, went, gone, come, came, come. These all are the forms of the verb. So, if you are able to identify the verb in the sentence, that which verb and in which tense, you can easily identify the tense of the sentence. In order to learn the tense, you need to identify the verb first. You must know which is the first form of the verb, which is the second form of the verb, which is the third form of the verb. A verb that that refers to the present time is said to be the present tense, like play, write, sing, come, go, laugh, cook, drive, buy. These all are first form of the verbs and in the present time, so it refers to the present tense. And the verb which refers to the past time is said to be the past tense, like played, wrote, sang, went. Okay, these all are the past tense. Cooked, laughed. A verb that refers to the future time is known as the future tense, like I shall, he will. In future tense, we use will or shall. Now, each tense, present tense, past tense, future tense, let us talk about the present tense first. In present tense, we divide present tense into 4 parts. Similarly, we divide past and the future also into 4 parts. So 4, 4, 8 and 4, 12. Total 12 parts. Okay. So first of all, we will talk about the present tense. We had bifurcated present tense into 4 parts. Each of these 3 tenses has 4 forms, which denotes various stages of an action. Like I eat, present simple. I am eating, present continuous. I have eaten, present perfect. I have been eating, present perfect continuous. These 3, simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous, you have to use all these 4 into 3 tenses, like present simple, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous, past simple, past continuous, past perfect continuous, future simple, future continuous, future perfect continuous. Up to this, do you understand what I taught to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The words in the above sentences refer to the present time. Therefore, these sentences are in the present tense. Now, they are having the different shades of meaning. The indefinite form simply states an action. It does not say whether the action is complete or not. It shows that an action takes place regularly. Basically, present simple tense we always use for habitual actions, universal truths, the things which are static, which cannot change. Your proverbs. Honesty is the best policy is a proverb. Why we use only is with that? Why we never said that honesty was the good policy or all the glitters were gold? Sun rises in the east means sun rises in the east. We never said that sun rised in the east. No, it's a universal fact, universal truth. So, indefinite first sentence is simple, present simple, which is also known as indefinite tense. Okay? The indefinite form simply states an action. It does not say whether the action is complete or not. I eat, he plays, she sings, but when? They never tell you. It means if somebody asks me that what do you do? I said I teach. मैं पढ़ाती हूँ. It means my profession is teaching. I study. My profession is studying. So पढ़ाती हूँ, खाती हूँ, ताती, te words we used in sentences, they always used to come in under the umbrella of present simple tense. Now, continuous tense indicates the things which are in continuity, which are going on, which are continuous, the actions that are still in progress. It is still going on. Therefore, it is also called progressive tense. The perfect form indicates that the action has been completed and is in a perfect state. The perfect continuous in now the present perfect tense. Present perfect tense means your recent past. Have you done your breakfast?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay. The one who is saying yes. Obviously,
Yes, ma'am.
you have done your breakfast in the morning, sometime in the morning, and that has gone now. But you have done your breakfast today. आज ही खाया ना? But आज में कब खाया? अभी से थोड़ी देर पहले. Means your recent past. So recent past comes under the perfect tense. Has, have. So perfect continuous shows that action which has begun sometime in the past and still continuous. Like I will say, it has been raining since morning. आज सुबह से बारिश हो रही है. Means rain has started in the morning, but it's still continued. It is still, the action is still going on. Got it?
Ma'am, can you please explain again?
I said the perfect continuous form shows that the action which has begun sometime in the past and still continuous. Means पहले कहीं past में काम शुरू हुआ था, अभी तक वो action complete नहीं हुआ, चल रहा है. Like I have given you an example. It has been raining since morning. सुबह से बारिश हो रही है. शुरू कब हुई थी?
Morning.
Ma'am, in the morning.
In the morning. It has begun in the morning, but till now it is continuing. अभी तक हो ही रही है. So
Yes,
this,
ma'am, understood.
okay, this type of sentences are the present perfect continuous tense. So basically, tense is the form of a verb which shows the time at which an event occurs and the degree of the completeness or incompleteness of the event.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, excuse.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Can you explain progressive tense one more time?
Yes, I will definitely. Let me show you something else. Progressive tense means your those tenses which are talking about the actions which are not complete, which is still going on. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
like I will tell you. Present tense. First of all, we will talk about the present simple tense. Yes, I will show you something. I will share my screen. Here I am going to share. Basically, tense is not that simple that you are looking in your book. This is 7th class and they have given you a very simple type of sentences, but I will teach you in detail so that in future this thing will come clear to your mind. Okay. Here I am going to share my screen. I wish that it is visible to you. Wait for a second. It will be soon on your screen. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, present simple tense. Let us talk about only one tense first. Okay. Present simple tense. In this tense, we use this tense to frame the sentences which will show you the habitual action that I get up early in the morning every day. So this is my everyday routine. So for habitual actions, we use present simple tense. Write down in your notebook for habitual actions. First of all, you give it a caption, present simple tense, and under that you can write habitual actions. Okay, I get up early in the morning every day, or whatever your habit you can mention. So next is universal truth. Universal truth, like sun rises in the east. It will always rise in the east. It will never shift to the west. It's a universal fact. Next is your proverbs. You can write a simple proverb. All those proverbs, idioms, phrases, these all are in the present tense. Not phrases, sorry. Idioms and phrases, that proverbs are always in the present tense. Like, as you sow, so shall you reap. Honesty is the best policy. All that glitters are not gold. These all are the present simple tenses. Next is scientific facts. Scientific facts. Like, kindly mute yourself. Somebody has unmuted. Kindly mute. So, scientific facts. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Water boils. Okay.
Ma'am,
So,
please explain again.
water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Now we will learn how to frame a sentence in present simple tense. Kindly write subject plus S or ES. Kindly mute yourself. The one who has unmuted, kindly mute. Please mute. Which page of my screen is visible on your screen? Kindly explain.
Ma'am, affirmative, negative,
Present simple tense.
Okay, affirmative, negative. Okay, let it stop and I will share something else with you now. I will display that page again. See, tense is the very easy part of the grammar, but students find it difficult. First, they don't understand it properly, they don't practice it. The more you practice tense, you will become perfect in that. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
here I'm going to share my screen again.
yes.
Very soon it will be on your screen. So till now we had just know about the idea of the tense, that what actually the tense means and how many parts of tenses are there and what part we use for which tense. Okay. Here is my screen. Here we go. I hope that it is visible to you.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Wait for a second.
No, ma'am.
It will be. Very soon it
Yes,
will
ma'am.
be
Now
on
it
your
is.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
it is visible.
Ma'am, do we have to take the screenshots?
No, I will provide you the material in the Google Classroom. Please don't.
Okay, ma'am.
You can download the document. You can frame your notes from there. Okay. But moreover, you need
Okay,
to
ma'am.
understand the concept. Don't run behind the copy pasting. First of all, you need to clear your doubt. You need to clear your concept. So this is the chart in which I had mentioned that the word tense is originated from the Latin word tempus, which means time. So tense automatically means times. Okay. What is verb? Verb is an action word. So here it is the present indefinite tense. So the formula of present indefinite tense is subject plus first form of the verb plus s or es plus rest of the sentence means object. Okay. This is the formula. By the use of this formula, we can frame the present simple tense. Now, what is this S or ES? Do you know the use of S or ES?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to use it with the
Ma'am, use
sing-
of plural,
ma'am, with the
ma'am.
third person singular.
Yes, third person singular. With take a notebook in front of you and mark a line in between the page and write I. One side write I, we, you, they, and Ram and Sham. Matlab any name with one more name. You by using and. More than one name. I, we, you, they, and more than one name. In this column, please mention we never use S or ES with the verb. We don't use. बड़ा सा cross लगा दो इस पे. And in the next column, kindly write he, she, it, any single name. Any single name, any one name. We always use S or ES. Got it?
Can you
Yes,
repeat?
ma'am.
Yes, I will repeat, beta. I, we, you, they, and more than one name. We never use S or ES. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
in the next column, kindly write he, she, it, any single name, any one name. We use S or ES. So this is the present simple tense. Okay. So now we will frame the sentence according to this formula. I eat apples daily. I eat. He eats apples daily. Can you frame more example?
Yes, ma'am. He plays cricket every day.
Okay.
He
Next,
travels to various places.
we travel. What? Sorry.
Ma'am, she travels to various places.
Okay. She travels various places. Next,
She sings loudly.
she sings loudly. Next,
She dances beautifully.
Ma'am, she
she
reads
dances beautifully. Okay. Next.
This is a particular book to write answers.
Okay,
She
next.
reads.
Use I, we, you, they.
I am fond of reading books.
Okay, next.
They
I
are
love
playing.
dancing.
Yes, please.
I am writing a
I am
She
writing a
cooks.
letter, not a simple
She
present
cooks
tense.
delicious food.
Next.
I love dancing.
You cook
I
food
love
very
dance.
well.
I
Okay.
love singing.
I
We
love
have
singing.
been playing since morning.
This is not present simple. Have been kahan se aa gaya? You
They
need
are
to
going
make
to
Perfect continuous, she is saying.
no.
Ma'am,
You are
write a
using perfect
letter.
continuous and continuous. Ing. We never use ing in present simple. I am just talking about present simple. Kindly give me the examples of present simple only.
Okay,
I
ma'am.
I
Yeah.
love to
She
play
cooks
badminton.
delicious.
Next.
I write a letter.
Yes, I write a letter. Now, if
I
we
love singing.
okay, I love singing.
He
Now,
works hard.
okay. Now, if we have to make this sentence into negative form, okay? So we place do not or does not. You had made two columns, no? In the columns where you have mentioned I, we, you, they, kindly write do not with I, we, you, they, and any more than one name. We use do not. I do not. You do not. They do not. Ram and Sham do not. We do not. And with singular subjects, we use does not, like does not, she does not, it does not, Ram does not, plus first form of the verb plus object. Base form matlab first form of the verb. So, according to this, we have to frame the sentence. But can you please, he does not eat apples daily. He does not eat apples daily. They do not eat apples daily. Okay? And if you have to make an interrogative of this sentence, if you see you need to make a interrogative of this sentence, no need to put what, where, when, why. See, do not and does not is a helping verb. Do and does is a helping verb. Whichever the sentence containing helping verb, if you want to make that sentence in an interrogative form, kindly place helping verb first and the rest of the sentence will automatically become interrogative. समझ में आई?
Yes, ma'am.
Got
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
मैंने
ma'am.
कहा अगर किसी सेंटेंस में हेल्पिंग वर्ब लगा है, अब आपने उस सेंटेंस को इंटेरोगेटिव बनाना है, प्रश्नवाचक बनाना है. आप हेल्पिंग वर्ड्स को सबसे पहले लगाओ और बाकी का सेंटेंस खुद ब खुद क्या बन जाएगा? इंटेरोगेटिव. लाइक डू और डस प्लस सब्जेक्ट, बाकी सारा रेस्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस इज सेम. डस he eat apples daily? Thus, they eat apples daily. So kindly frame negative and interrogative sentences too. Make one simple sentence first, affirmative sentence of simple present. One girl.
I
Any
read
sentence. I read book. Okay, the next girl will have to change this sentence into negative.
I do not
I do
read.
not eat book.
Okay, I do not read book. Now next girl will change this sentence into an interrogative one.
Are you reading a book?
Do they read book?
Galat?
Do
Do they read book?
Do I read book? Do they read
Do
book?
you read book?
Stop. The sentence was I read a book. You had to make it in negative. I do not read a book. Now you have to make it in interrogative. Do I read a book? From where you are putting you, they and all. I was telling you to make the same sentence into interrogative. So next girl will frame one more sentence of the simple tense.
She works hard.
She works hard. Yes, next will change into the negative.
She do
She
not work
does not.
hard.
She does not.
We
She
do
does
not
not
work
work
hard.
hard. Does not work
Does
hard.
not work
She
hard.
don't work hard.
गलत. She don't कैसे आ
She
गया?
does not. She does
She does
not
not
work
work
hard.
hard.
She always contain does, not don't. Yes, she does not work hard. And interrogative.
Does she
Does she
work hard?
work hard?
Does
Does
she
she
work
work
hard?
hard?
Okay, now one question from my side to all of you. Okay, I had told you that we always use S or ES with he, she, it, any name. Okay, he works hard. You frame a sentence. She works hard. Works. WORKS. Works hard. But when you changed this sentence into negative form, she does not work. WORK. Work hard. So I had told you that you need to use S or ES with the verb in the present simple tense with third form, with third person singular. So why you are not using S or ES in negative sentence?
Ma'am, because
Ma'am,
because when we use do or does,
getting
the
to
negative
the does.
use the s or the word.
Yes.
Ma'am, action.
Yes.
We had do is already a verb. ठीक है? And we used ES with do. It means we are already using ES. So no need to use ES or S twice in a same sentence. Okay? The first
Okay,
verb
ma'am.
you are
Okay,
using, the first verb you are using, you need to put S or ES with that only. So here the first verb is do. So we are using it with that only. After the class, I will upload this material. Okay? Here are the usage of the present simple tense, something which is true or factual. The examples are here. Describing feelings and senses. Example here. Affirmative and all. I will upload these files in your Google Classroom after the class. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
I hope that you will find
Ma'am, we have to write
this
this.
material worth reading and you will understand.
Okay, ma'am.
No, you just need to practice the examples in your notebook. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
At least,
And ma'am, can we write our own examples by understanding that you have
yes,
given us?
definitely. What you have to do is you need to frame 10 sentences of simple present. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, you have to write in rough notebook.
And you need to by your own. After understanding the material, read 10 sentences of simple present. Write 10 sentences of simple present. Change those sentences into negative and change those sentences into interrogative. 10, 10, 10. 30 sentences will become.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you have to write in rough
Okay.
notebook.
No, fear one.
Ma'am, in ma'am English grammar notebook, because we have created that one book.
You had maintained grammar book separate.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
those who are having separate notebook, they can do there. Those who don't have no issues, you can do it in your one notebook on which you are maintaining your T2 syllabus. Please don't put extra burden on your parents by purchasing more notebooks. Use whatever you are having in the limited resources. You can do very good. Okay? But make sure that
Okay,
you
ma'am.
will write in a very neat and clean form.
Okay, ma'am.
So time is over for the class. I had taken 10 more minutes of yours. 10 o'clock you are having next class. I too have a class. So go and take a break and refresh yourself. Have your breakfast first. Goodbye.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, thank
Bye,
you.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Goodbye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Have a great day.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I want to ask, ma'am, in a notebook, we have to write 10 sentences of simple present, 10 of that we have to write this only is
First
10
of
of
all, write only simple present, 10 sentences, then convert those 10 into the negative, then interrogative.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Leave the class. Why you are not leaving the class? Aditi, Gurpreet, Harshlin.